Ladies and gentlemen, the most interesting man in kayak fishing history is back, retelling a classic adventure. If you like heavy breathing, punching fish, and partial nudity, then stick around. Oh, and one last thing. He's still your girlfriend's favorite fisherman, and don't ever forget it.
We got a fish. We got a sockeye. Double. I got a double. Holy shit, boys. Holy fuck. Holy shit. No. Unreal. I think I lost this one, but holy shit, it's on. he's all wrapped up. Woo! Double. First ever. Holy shit. Thanks, bud. Wow.
Hey now, keep your shirt on, pal. Well, here we are at day number 3 with my best fishing buddy, Pops. Oh, looks like Pop got a little nibble there, but spoiler, there's no fish.
A little nibble?
The old smoke break bite. But another spoiler. Nothing. As you see, that sun is up right there. It is hot. We're cooking. And the fish are not biting. Isn't that how it always works?
Slow. I haven't marked a good fish in a while. I've seen one fish caught. That's what I'm... Yeah. Yeah. I had a bite. Just a... And by the time I picked it up, there was nothing there, so... You want to flip her back around, head back, you think, or... What do you...
Right over there, 39 feet. See the bubbles going up? When I'm looking, you can see them way down there.
Yeah.
Stop for a second, and you get the seams coming up, a bunch of bubbles.
There's been a jumper right in here like 3 times
Oh,
now.
really?
Yeah. And I did mark a couple of them.
I thought I marked something right over there, and I meant to leave one of my rods hooked up when I got in here.
Yeah.
I started to, I just took everything off.
Same.
God damn. There's bubbles right there.
Yeah, that's not a sockeye. That's a trout. Could be a coconut. Seems like that 70-degree top temperature though, they wouldn't want to be up top.
It's true.
That's a bummer.
Yeah, perfect morning, all set up.
Good lunch.
Early start, yeah. Worked out fine, so fish. See now.
Yeah.
It's about that big.
Yeah. That looked like a coconut.
It didn't look shiny.
No, it didn't look shiny, but it had some blue on the top. So, but yeah, it could have been probably a rainbow then,
I'm thinking.
or a dolly.
And here we are at morning number 4. I think, as you might be able to tell, it is early. I think it's about 10 minutes after 5 a.m., which is actually late to some of these fishermen out here. Some guys, like I said, they're launching at 3:30 in the morning. So if you aren't out there in the morning, your chances of catching a fish just drastically drop. Like in the afternoon, I don't think, you could get lucky. I did hear a couple guys that got lucky out there, but for the most part, it's a morning fishery. And in the evening is not too bad, but what happens in the evening is it gets really windy. You can see this log right here. In the mornings, you'll see lots of logs all over there because of the winds. They get blown all around. It's pretty crazy. Now, keep your eyes, there's going to be a boat up here in your right-hand corner. Keep an eye on him. As you see, I'm pretty close to the shore. Eventually, I'm almost able to smell this guy's freaking breath, for Christ's sakes, really. And it annoyed me more when this happened.
Fish. Kyle.
Also, clearly this guy has not had his coffee today. He's just all wound up. Relax, brother. You're out with the kids catching sockeye. Have fun. Huh? But at the same time, I guess I can't see it. He's only got like 4 downriggers and 6 rods out there, so he's got a lot going on. It could be kind of a touchy situation, I suppose. And he does have 2 sockeye on here. I don't know how he doesn't. He's got them wrapped up in the downrigger or something. He doesn't lose them. So I need to find out what hooks he was using. Although I did not lose any fish. I had some bites and didn't get bites, but I didn't lose any fish. Once I hooked up, they were in my net, so that was nice. And I was using Gamakatsu split shot drop shots, 1/0 hooks with red hooks too as well. In case you care, there you go. Yep, and that's how day 4 would end. Eating some tough-ass jerky. Day 5, on the other hand, totally worth it. I got up wicked early. It was another beautiful morning, as you can see. It was very muggy. That was the only thing. When you catch fish, it does not matter. Yeah, dude wouldn't normally be stripping himself down here if it wasn't like hot. Just, yeah, I'm not that guy. And like I said, say something nice in the comments. Be nice here.
Fish.
Oh, God. Get your net situation figured out, man. Like, dude, you're in the World Series of fishing for you. You're going to be here for like 5 days and you're messing around with your net. Yep, but by the grace of God, I did not lose any fish.
Fish on, boys. Fish on. Let's go. We got a fish, boys. We got a fish. Yeehaw! You're a dandy. You're a dandy. Heavy Betty big ball.
Having to go back to work after this fishing trip was tough, let me tell you that. I ended up taking home 4 salmon in 5 days, which was absolutely thrilling for me because I'd caught 0 salmon the previous 2 years. But I'd had such a hard time saying goodbye, I had to go back. So this is about the second week of August, and I did go out and meet a couple friends out there. Paulo and Shiro, what's up, guys? And well, we didn't have any luck. It's been about 3 hours and no bites. And just like that, it was no longer a bad day. Got a fish on 52 feet back. She's pulling, boys. Holy smokes. My technique for these fish and fighting these fish is to not fight the fish. They're hooked in the mouth pretty good. These are good sharp hooks. They don't come out easy. So I like to tire them out. These have got a lot of energy. These fish go crazy. And if you horse them in there, good chance they're gonna slip off. Tire them out. Like I said, I didn't have any problems. Got to drag them out to the deep water, right? Like Ali did. Woo! Yep. Beauty. Five. Yep. Maybe 4.5, but not too bad, not too shabby, boys and girls. Yeah. I got it on a pink hoochie. Yep. Probably about 0.7. Yeah. Thanks, buddy. get that on ice.
Nice. Short but fatty.
I can't believe it. And the thing is, the strike is lighter than a kokanee hit.
Oh wow.
No, didn't even pull my drag or nothing.
So your team not really works on
Yeah.
online or Cabela's or
I get it. I go to Holiday Sports.
oh.
You know where that's at?
Okay.
No, Holiday Sports is in Mount Vernon.
Oh,
Or Burlington, I'm sorry.
all right.
Well, that about does her. Wraps her all up. Things seem to work out pretty good for the dude. I don't know about you, but I take comfort in that. It's good knowing he's out there. The dude. Taking her easy for all us sinners. Chudge, I sure hope he catches more next year. And it was a pretty good story, don't you think? Laughed so hard nearly pissed my pants. Well, parts of it anyway. I do wish he didn't cuss so much. And what was up with him punching all those fish? Well, just as sure as the tides will rise and the stars will fall. Oh, shoot. Looks like I'm rambling again. Hey, don't be afraid to hit that like and subscribe button. Catch y'all out on the water, friends.